Today we are going to discuss the internal structure of kidney, and after that the internal structure of heart also we will see, right? Yeah, this is actually uh, a kidney collected from the goat, and usually all mammalian kidneys are in the shape of the same bean shaped structure. We can able to see that there is a concave structure and a convex structure. Both structures we can see that, right? And this is generally brownish, reddish brown color. And when you observe that, we need some materials for doing this activity. One is the freshly collected goat kidney, and we need a jug of water for cleaning the kidney, and we need a table here or a tray, and we need a sharp blade to cut the kidney also to see the internal structure of kidney, right? Let us start this process of observing goat kidney. And first of all we need to clean with the water, right? Clean with the water. We have taken the jug of water to clean. We have taken this one and we cleaned it. We have cleaned. See, there's the unwanted materials we are removing. Actually we have to take a pair of gloves also, but not available, so that we are directly using manually, right? This is what the kidney. And now we are going to see that the external structure. You see this one, this is a bean shaped structure, right? And color also be reddish brown in color. And this is the structure. This is generally called as the hilum in the sense of this, where the blood vessels are enter the kidney, and the blood vessels which are originated from the kidney, right? Okay. And now we will see that with the help of a sharp scalpel we need to cut the LS of kidney. Okay, now we can able to see that the internal structure of kidney. You can able to see that. You can see, yes. Okay, observe this one. You see that this is the outer region. The outer region is called cortex. The inner region is called medulla. Okay, are you able to see that? The medulla region. See this one calyces like structures we are observing here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 7 calyces like structures we are observing here. These are very most important calyces like structures we are observing here. And each calyces like structures are containing some nephrons. And these calyces are also called as a pyramid like structures. Usually 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 are there. 7 to 12 these calyces like structures we are observing in the each kidney. And each calyces which containing number of nephrons which can able to filter the blood. You can easily and you can clearly see the structure of the kidney here, right? This is the cortex, the outer region, reddish brown in color, and the medulla, the inner region. You can observe that the dark light red in color, right? Yes. This is the hilum. Where ureters are originated from here, and also the renal artery enters the kidney, and renal vein which originates from the kidney from this the concave side of the kidney, right? This is the internal structure of kidney. Thank you. Yeah, now we are able to see that the internal structure of kidney. You see that the outer region is here. This is the outer region, generally called as the cortex region we are observing. And this is the hilum where the ureters are originated from it, and renal artery and renal vein or enter the kidney. And when you observe that, this is the medulla region. You can see that the inner region The medulla region containing calyces like structures, these are also called pyramid like structures we are observing. You can count this 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 7 calyces like structures are there. These are usually 7 to 12 calyces like structures are there, each calyces containing nephrons mostly. Nephrons, and nephrons are the structures which can able to filter the blood. You see that the structure, it's a very clearly visible here. The shape of the kidney is a bean shaped and having the two regions. This is the convex side and this is the concave side. The two sides we are observing here, right? Thank you. Yeah, today we are going to discuss the internal structure of mammalian heart. Actually, theoretically we are learning that and how to observe the internal structure. By observing the internal structure practically, we can easily understand. Right? Done. Yeah, to observe the mammalian kidney, we need some materials here. One is the freshly collected goat kidney we required, right? And also we need a sharp scalpel also we needed to cut the heart, and we need a jug of water to clean the heart, and also we collected few of the pen refills we collected to be inserted in the blood vessels, right? Pass. Just to see that when you observe the external structure, when you observe the external structure of the heart, you can find one deep groove here. Just to see this one, there is a one deep groove here and another is also be here. It is observing that externally the heart is explaining that internally heart is divided into 4 chambers. The 2 upper chambers we know that auricles and 2 lower chambers, right? Okay, and when you observe this is structure, some blood vessels, just to see this one, the blood vessels are here, some blood vessels are there associated with the heart, some blood vessels are associated with heart. Actually we need some straws to be inserted in the blood vessels, and some used pen refills also we have collected. Actually some pieces we collected here to be inserting in the small blood vessels which are originated from the heart, right? Yes, you can observe that the blood vessels which are originated from the heart, we know that this is what the major blood vessel, you can observe this is one, the major blood vessel, this is what aorta, this is the aorta blood vessel which is originated from the right ventricle and supply oxygenated blood to all the parts of the body. Yes, you can see this one, and now we can able to clean the heart by using a jug of water. We have taken already the jug of water to be cleaning the heart. Now we are cleaning the heart completely. The blood in the heart will drain out. Then it is easy for us to be observing internal structures without any blood. Yes, this is what. Yeah, you can able to see that the internal structure of heart. Just to see that internal structure, actually miscutting has happened here. Miscutting has happened before already. You can observe that the blood vessels which are originating here, and you can see that the blood chambers, the outer chambers, upper chambers, here it is. These are the upper chambers and which blood enter the lower chambers, we know that already. This is what the upper chamber through the blood enter. You can see that the blood vessels here, the blood vessels which are originated from this right ventricle, right? So right ventricle to the blood chambers, how they are originated. So both the upper chambers we are observing here, and these are lower chambers. Actually because of some miscutting, it was happened wrong. Upper chambers are opens into the lower chambers. You can see this one. These are the muscles, chordae tendineae. These are the chordae tendineae muscles which are protecting the valves. Close up. Right? These are the valves. Just to see that the valves are protected by these muscles. These are chordae tendineae muscles. These are protecting the valve. Right? This is the valve. So from upper chamber to the blood enter the lower chambers, ventricles. Okay, in the same way here also, from upper chambers to lower chambers, you can see this one, lower chambers. This is what the blood vessel. One more cuspid valve, we know that this is the tricuspid valve. See this one. Here also we can find the chordae tendineae muscles. Chordae tendineae. These chordae tendineae muscles are protecting the closing and opening of the tricuspid valve, and here the left side is protecting the bicuspid valve. So however, blood enter the upper chambers to lower chambers, and these are the major blood vessel. You can see this one, the major blood vessel. This is the aorta. We know that aorta originated from it, right? Thank you so much for watching this video.